color wheels, and we are going to cover the primaries wheels. Now, what is primaries? Primaries is about the three primary colors. That is the red, green, and blue. And the secondaries are the magenta, cyan, and yellow. Please keep that in mind. Later on, we're going to use it. So that's why it's called primaries. So what are these wheels about? Remember, we talked about shadows, midtones, and highlights. So this is where you control them. On the left over here, you control the shadows. On the gain, you will control the highlights. In the middle, gamma, you will control the midtones. So it's so easy. Shadows, midtones, highlights. The offset, you will control all of them in a certain way. I will show you. You have two controls. You have the wheel over here that will control the brightness for the shadows. And the wheel over here, of course, under gain, will control the brightness, how bright are the colors within the highlights. You brighten or you darken the midtones. And then you have this small circle in each one of them. The circle, if you take it up or down, whatever direction you want, it will control the colors. It will add or remove certain colors. To reset, you can just click on the round arrow here and it will reset. Here you are. This is reset, and I can reset this one. So we'll use the left to control the shadows, gamma to control the midtones, and the gain to control the highlights. Let's do some correction if you like, so I can show you the rest over here. I will take these shadows down. Usually you always take these shadows down unless it's crushed. Okay, so I'm trying to achieve certain pure black here. It doesn't matter, just an example now. And I'm gonna take the highlight up. Now notice what's happening here. The highlights are not moving up. The whole graph is being stretched. Okay, guys? You notice how the stretching. So actually you are stretching more the red and green and blue all around the midtones and even the highlights. Notice also if you play again with the shadows, how you are trying to stretch or compress the colors. So let's say this is okay.